Okay, so we learned in the last video that taking the derivative of e to the x gets you back e to the x. So the general thing will work. So if we have y equals e to the u, then y prime will equal e to the u and then du. So whatever that derivative is going to be. So again, a chain rule as we have with all of the other stuff. All right, so as an example, we'll let y equal e to the x squared. So here, if we make a u substitution, we would have u equaling x squared, which would make our du equal to 2x dx, which is just 1. Um, so here we have y equaling e to the u, so y prime equals e to the u du. So y prime, when we do substitution, is going to be e to the x squared times 2x, and we can clean that up a little bit. So again, if you note that we just are putting in the exact same thing again, this e to the x squared, and then taking the derivative of the top via the chain rule, that works too. All right, so let's another example. All right, so here we have a product rule necessary. Our first will be this x, our second will be this e to the 4x. So our first is x, derivative of e to the 4x is e to the 4x times the derivative of 4x, which is going to be 4, plus the second, which is e to the 4x, times derivative of x, which is just 1. And, I mean, you can factor out an e to the 4x if you want, which gives us 4x plus 1. Remember, this doesn't go to 0. This doesn't go to 0. You get e to the 4x times 1, so this works. Or if you wanted to just bring the 4 out, that's fine too. So here are some examples of how we did with e to the x.